everyone, welcome to MVP Auto Review. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about revivals in the automotive world, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. Yes, you heard that right, Mazda's legendary rotary-powered sports coupe is back, reimagined for a new era. The RX nameplate has always symbolized Mazda's daring spirit, and this new model brings that legacy roaring into the future with a stunning blend of innovation, performance, and emotional design. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2026 RX-8 marks the triumphant return of Mazda's iconic rotary power, but this isn't the old Wankel engine you remember from the 2000s. This time, Mazda has gone hybrid. The new Sky Active R rotary-hybrid system pairs a compact rotary engine with an electric motor, delivering both thrilling performance and surprising efficiency. The rotary acts as a range extender and a power booster, kicking out an estimated 370 horsepower combined. That's a massive leap from the previous RX-8's at 232 horses. The result: instant torque, smooth revs, and a high revving soundtrack that'll make any gearhead grin from ear to ear. Mazda says the new rotary unit spins up to an incredible 10,000 RPM, giving drivers that signature scream that made the RX series so addictive. But this time, it's cleaner, more efficient, and compliant with global emission standards. The electric motor fills in the torque gaps, meaning you get seamless power delivery and razor-sharp throttle response. Whether you're on the open highway or carving through winding mountain roads, the new RX-8 promises to be one of the most balanced and exhilarating drives in its class. Now, let's talk about the design. Mazda has truly outdone itself. The 2026 RX-8 carries the essence of the original: the long hood, short rear deck, and those signature freestyle rear doors, but now, everything is sculpted in the Kodo 3.0 design language, Mazda's latest evolution of soul of motion. It's lower, wider, and more aggressive, with sleek LED lighting, sculpted aerodynamics, and a wide stance that screams performance. The front fascia features a sharper grille design integrated with air channels that guide airflow around the car, improving cooling and downforce. Around back, you get quad exhaust outlets, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and taillights that pay homage to the original RX-8's circular design. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly balances modern technology with driver-focused simplicity. Mazda didn't go overboard with screens. Instead, the 2026 RX-8 offers a 12.3-inch digital cluster that delivers all the vital driving data, alongside a floating 11-inch infotainment display with minimal lag and seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The rotary heritage is subtly celebrated throughout the cabin, from the shape of the start button to the stitching pattern on the seats. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara keep the weight down while providing a premium, motorsport-inspired vibe. Mazda engineers have also worked tirelessly on the chassis and suspension tuning. The car rides on the company's next-gen Sky Active platform, which incorporates a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel for rigidity and agility. The perfect 50/50 weight distribution returns, a trademark of the RX lineup, ensuring razor-sharp cornering and confidence at high speeds. The steering feels natural and communicative, while adaptive dampers allow drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes. In short, it's a driver's car through and through, light, nimble, and emotionally engaging. Mazda hasn't ignored the practical side, either. The new rotary hybrid setup allows for impressive efficiency, around 32 miles per gallon combined, and with its battery assist system, it offers an electric-only range of about 40 miles. That means you can cruise quietly through the city in EV mode, then unleash the rotary howl on the open road. Safety and tech are also top tier. The RX-8 comes equipped with Mazda's full iActiveSense suite, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and 360-degree cameras. There's even a new Track Vision feature that records lap times, G-forces, and performance stats for those who like to take their cars to the limit. Overall, the 2026 Mazda RX-8 represents a bold comeback, a fusion of nostalgia and modernity. Mazda has managed to keep the soul of the RX alive while future-proofing it for the electrified age. It's sleek, powerful, and uniquely Mazda, a true driver's machine that bridges past and future. So, what do you think? Is the rotary renaissance finally here? Would you trade your turbo for a high-revving hybrid? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching MVP Auto Review, where passion meets performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest in the world of cars. Until next time, keep revving, keep dreaming, and stay driven.